everyone, and welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be switching things up a bit and doing a quick book review on the Wake Up Call Financial Inspiration from 444. So this book was written by Ash Cash, and Jerron is going to tell you a little bit of background about Ash Cash.
Ash Cash is really cool.
Boom.
Yeah, he's a minority, he's black, and he basically is a personal finance guru. He goes around, he has a blog, he works with an online bank, and he writes books. Like, he just does it all, right? And he's really big on minority empowerment and kind of helping us advance financially. What Ash Cash did with this book is basically take Jay-Z's album where he we all knew that he was talking a lot about personal finance in some way, shape, or form, right? That line, what did he say? He was like, what's more important, throw money in the strip club, credit.
Yeah.
Like, you don't just throw those in songs for no reason, right? So what Ash Cash does is takes those lines and explains them to us and says, okay, here's what Jay-Z said, here's what that means, and here's how you can apply it.
There are multiple different parts of the book that we just absolutely love, but we want to just touch on a couple significant parts to us, just hoping that it'll spark you guys to realize that this book is really, really eye-opening. So the first one that I want to talk about, which was personally my favorite, I read this line about 6 billion times. He even reiterated the line to me, and I'm still like, this is so crazy. So Ash Cash actually says in the book that the lifespan of $1 in the Asian community is 28 days, is 19 days in the Jewish community, and can you guess how long
3
it is?
days?
That's a good one. 6
What?
hours. 6 hours. 6 hours. 6 hours.
How many hours?
6! Ash Cash actually explains that in some other cultures, we're actually seen as liquid money. Like, black people as a whole are seen as liquid money. Chapter 4 really stood out to me. It's actually called Merrily, Merrily, Eat Off These Streams, and it's where Ash Cash talks about having multiple streams of income. Now, I, being an entrepreneur, I started my own makeup business when I was only a junior in high school. So to hear that this was such a great idea from someone other than, like my mom, it really helped me out, because having multiple streams of income, you can actually work less. It may sound like more work, but it actually helps you, you can work less. Bye.
One of my favorite chapters was chapter 2, which talked about not dying over the neighborhood that your mama's ran. And it just talks about ownership. Like, if you're gonna rep something, you might as well just own it, right? You can't rep a block that you're renting an apartment on. Doesn't really, it's not your block.
Don't jack that.
The other chapter that really stood out to me was generational wealth. And basically, in the album, Jay-Z talks about how generational wealth is the key. And he basically Ash Cash talks about the fact that we haven't had that opportunity as a minority, as a community in the past, right? We haven't had the opportunity to pass down land or pass down stock or pass down, any type of asset to our children. So that's why that's the key for us now to sustain our growth. We need to build assets and pass them down to our children. The last chapter that stood out to me was the chapter talking about how this spiritual stuff really works. And I'm not going to preach to you, but what Ash Cash talks about is the fact that you need to believe in something, whether it's religion, universe, probability, I don't know, but you need to believe in some way, shape, or form that you can be financially free or you can fix your situation, because that's the only way you'll get through the hiccups.
And I think that really goes into our video on changing your mindset. It's just you have to have your mind right in order to put forth that action. Because if your mind's not right, how can anything else be right,
That's it.
So overall, great book. 10 out of 10. I would recommend to a friend. Yeah.
Hands down.
Yeah.
So we're going to link the Amazon. Wow. Link the Amazon.
Yeah.
The whole Amazon rainforest in the link. So if you're an avid reader, like Leanna here, we're gonna provide the link to this book on Amazon in the description, and let us know if that would be helpful to recommend you guys books to read, or if you just love our videos and you don't want to read anything.
Honestly, but we definitely want to know your opinion on these book reviews. Do you want to see more of them? Do you have any recommendations for us? Because like John said, we are very avid readers and we love to learn more. So thanks so much for watching our video, and we hope to see you in the next one.
And don't forget, broke
is
a
mentality.
Let's make financial freedom our reality. That was good.